Wait, did Light Fury really blast Hiccup into the sky? Yep, it happened. But why would she attack him? Let's rewind. When Light Fury first met Toothless, it was instant love. But the moment she saw humans Hiccup and Astrid, she panicked and flew off. She didn't trust them. She's a wild dragon, not used to humans. Later, when Hiccup led the tribe west in search of the hidden world, Light Fury secretly followed. She thought Hiccup was controlling Toothless, so she attacked to set him free. But here's the twist. Toothless doesn't leave with her. He chooses Hiccup. And that moment, it changed everything. That's when Light Fury understood. They weren't enemies. They were best friends. Did Light Fury overreact, or was she just trying to protect Toothless? Drop your take in the comments.